So if you want to do the back loop double crochet, you're going to just remember that you have on your stitches, you have 2 loops or 2 humps here, 2 humps, 2 humps, 2 humps, and a front and a back. So if your work calls for a back loop double crochet, you're going to yarn over and do like you're doing a regular double crochet, but you're going to, into this stitch here, instead of starting here, you're going to start in the middle and just go into the back loop like that, and pull your yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So let's do that again. So you're just going into the back loops here. So yarn over into the back loop, pull up that loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Do that again. So yarn over, go into the back loop, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, just like that. And that will give you a row or a little line in the front of your work. So if you've done the front loop only, that will give you a line in the back. And if you're doing back loop only, then that will give you a line in the front. And so that creates a cool little pattern for you. So that's all that there is to that. Good luck.